Alright guys, I don't know how well you see me, it's pretty late at night. This is how to remove and replace your turn signal switch on most of all the Intrigues. I tried to just put another one in it, the other one burned out. But there will be 3 screws holding this cover on, 2 or 3, which I got loose. Alright, what you're going to have to do is pull this. Easier said than done. Which falls right off. But before you pull that, you see this is down when I'm doing work. If you can't tell, my instant ball burning it, but there's clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You just pop down. Right now you got the cover free. Alright, what you're going to have to do now is take, take your small little stubby Phillips and get up in here and take these screws out. That's one. That's 2. Now your trim will come off. Let me see if I got you guys still in the shot. Nope. Alright, you're going to have to tilt your steering down. And then take your panel, pull back in this corner. Just like that. Now take this panel, very careful not to break it. Make sure it's warm out. There you go. Disconnect that, put it down. Alright, grab hold of this cover. Oh, geez, sucker. There you go. Just pie. There you go. Alright. Got a set of hooks. You see there. You got to play with. Take your cover. Move your steering wheel up. See how I'm doing this? Hold this back. Now move your steering all the way up. And then wiggle it. And fight with it a little bit more. This is where you don't like tilt. And just keep on fighting. So you have to have this on an angle. See that? That somewhat meets it. Get it somewhat on that, on an angle. Slide it right down. Now you take your steering, tilt it down. Alright. Here's going to be the fun part. Now these are torques. There's one up there. That blue one. Turn the steering. There's one there and one there. There's three of them. Or two of them. Yeah, it's two, that's right. Yep, that's right, it's just two. And it should be a yeah, if I still knew where my torque is at. Should be a T25, which they are. So you need a T25. And this one you have to come in on an angle. You have to play with your steering wheel. It'd be better if you can get a T25 screwdriver, because that's how I did it before. But if you notice, that ain't as yeah, there it goes. See, I can bite in on an angle, but that's how you do it. Just get it on an angle. If you can get a T25 screwdriver, it'd be even better. But yep, that's how you get to it. You don't have to remove this airbag to get to your screws. Hopefully that helped you out. Help you guys out a little bit. Need any more, then I can do more for you guys. But I had to take it apart anyways, again, because it's not working right. So, we'll also catch you guys later then. See ya.